how to get Monopoly Code reward code, or how to get a crazy amount of reward or free dice in Monopoly Go. And so you want to navigate through your browser right here, and inside you can just go ahead and search for robot coupons. Once inside robot coupons, you can just scroll down, and once inside, you can then go ahead and see a tab called Monopoly Go. So you can just go ahead and click on Monopoly Go, and from here it will then take us to the reward page of Monopoly Go, on which we can go ahead and choose our rewards. Now, right after selecting your rewards right here, you will then be taken to this page. So you can just go ahead and click on the start button and wait for the process to finish. Right after entering the amount of rewards that you want to get, you will then be taken to this page where you have to complete a series of simple tasks in order to go ahead and get the unlimited or crazy amount of dices rewards on your Monopoly Go. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and download this application right here, and as for the instruction, you have to go ahead and install and open the application for at least 30 seconds. And as you can go ahead and see, right after that, it will now go ahead and eliminate the first task that has been given to us, and all we have to do is to go ahead and complete all of the tasks right here, and we will go ahead and get the Monopoly Go reward code. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.